Hello guys, me eat pretzel.
Wake up, Grace. Wake up.
Wake up, Grace.
We're here.
Wake up, Grace. Let me check out that Tommy. Wake up. Let me check out that Tommy.
Mama, what are these?
They good though. Well, this one good. This one. Okay. I don't even know what you would call them. It's like kicking mix. Honey roasted nacho cheese corn sticks, honey roasted peanuts, honey roasted sesame sticks, mini twisted pretzels, honey mustard pretzel pieces, Cajun toasted corns. Okay.
I didn't tell you everything. There's a reason why my our cell phone just created this place the way it did. Why I wasn't a part of it. While my grave was behind the wall. Out there.
Make sure you follow me on YouTube right now.